Using one frying pan makes it easy and great for people with hearing impairments. I'm making a tasty baked apple cake. Hello, this is Ayako Sekiguchi from Wellness Kitchen. It's the season when apples are delicious. Heating apples, instead of eating them raw, enhances benefits for hearing. I'll explain these as we make a delicious dessert that will delight your body and heart. In the second half, I'll be sharing a tea time talk on topics like anti-aging and autumn health management. Please be sure to watch until the end. Here are the ingredients for the baked apple cake. Apples, eggs, rice oil, maple syrup, milk or soy milk, rice flour, and baking powder. You can use any variety of apple you like. But if you want to keep the texture, choose one that doesn't break down easily when cooked. Kogyoku, Shinano Gold, and Fuji apples are recommended. Wash thoroughly and use with skin on. If you're concerned about wax, using baking soda or soaking them in hot water is also effective. Cut the apples into quarters, remove the core, and slice them thinly with the skin on. Procyanidins, which are abundant in apple skins, have strong antioxidant properties and help with anti-aging and cancer prevention. Other examples are chemicals like dioxins that cause sweating, PM, 25 food additives, and substances produced during processing. They boost detoxifying enzymes that remove substances and lipids. They have great effects like boosting metabolism. Please prepare a frying pan about 20 centimeters in diameter. Crumple the cooking sheet once. Then, line the frying pan with the cooking sheet. Arrange the apples you cut earlier on top of it. The apples that go on the very bottom will become the face of the apple cake. So, please arrange just those carefully and neatly. Arrange them to fit the frying pan's curve like this. It's like lining them up just like this. At first, I arrange them carefully, but after that, since the apples will go inside, it's fine to just place them in. However, just like this. Now, let's make the dough. This is maple syrup. If you don't have it, try adding about 20% less honey instead. You can also substitute with oligosaccharide syrup or sugar if you prefer. You can also substitute with oligosaccharide syrup or sugar. Thank you very much. It's rice oil. Now I'll add rice flour. This rice flour blends 3 ancient rice varieties with sprouted brown rice. Since it's rice flour, you can see a slight color from the rice polyphenols, but any type of rice flour is fine. About the batter, when you lift it up, it should drip down slowly like this. The batter should be loose enough to flow between the apples through the frying pan. Please adjust it to about this consistency. Okay, and finally, the baking powder. Try to spread the batter so that it fills in the gaps as much as possible. Think of it like connecting the apples together. All right, that's all for the preparations. Cover and cook slowly on low heat. Apple peels and the cell walls of the fruit contain a lot of insoluble pectin and its precursor, protopectin, which do not dissolve easily in water. When heat above 100 degrees C is applied, protopectin breaks down and turns into water-soluble pectin. There are research reports that say it can increase up to 6 to 9 times compared to its raw state. Heating it further turns it into food for beneficial bacteria. Since oligosaccharides also increase, it's more effective for gut health to eat it cooked rather than raw. Okay, let's take a look. It's been 10 minutes. The surface has dried out quite a bit and it's starting to puff up. Alright, once it looks like this, flip it over. It's really easy if you use parchment paper again. And now, then holding the paper, put it back into the frying pan. Shape it a little and then slowly remove the paper on top. Okay, then put the lid on and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. You didn't add anything extra? The sweet and tart flavor of the apple is just as it is, and the apple juice soaks into the dough, making it moist and chewy. The texture is great and it's delicious. This simple apple cake is made in a frying pan with a mild flavor. You only need one pan, so I hope you'll try this recipe. This is such a happy moment. Let me introduce our new product, Nutritional Tea. Nutritional Tea is made so you can enjoy the delicious benefits of 18 kinds of wild herbs, which have been treasured since ancient times. Every day, it's a tea carefully blended with all our heart. The blessings of each herb help improve circulation, and the formula is designed to support various concerns that increase as we age. As for the taste of the nutritious tea, it's based on the flavor of roasted barley, blended with carefully selected herbs. It's also recommended for those who like sweet things, as it helps prevent sudden spikes. The flavor goes really well with meals, so I think you can enjoy it without getting tired of it. Since it's caffeine-free, your whole family can enjoy it anytime, morning, noon, or night. Please check the description box for more details. Now, let's get started with our tea time talk. The roasted barley flavor is used as the base, giving it the rich taste of roasted barley. It's delicious. I recommend travel foods like vegetables, persimmons, mandarins, and apples. Pacific sorry and autumn salmon, now in season, are excellent and help with dry skin care. Let's make sure to manage our health properly while efficiently getting the nutrients we need. Drinking something warm works well. Be careful, as cooling your body may lower immunity. This book is full of tips on getting proper nutrition without overdoing it. I would be happy if you could pick it up as a Bible for healthy eating. Apple cake also helps improve your gut health and boost your immunity. I highly recommend this recipe. Please try it. Please be sure to check the description box for the new book and new products I introduced this time. Thank you for watching until the end. Well then, let's meet again in another video.